Imagine the silence of a total grid-down scenario. No humming refrigerator, no glowing microwave, and no stove. You have plenty of rice and pasta, but without fire or water to boil, they are just expensive paperweights. In a real emergency, the distance between you and a crisis isn't how much food you have, but how much food you can eat right now. Today, we're fixing that with 12 foods that need zero heat, zero tools, and zero power. Let's go. Item 12. Tortillas. Standard bread is a disaster in a crisis. It molds in days and turns into crumbs the moment you pack a bag. Tortillas are the superior survival alternative. They are vacuum sealed for a much longer shelf life. They compress perfectly into a backpack, and they won't fall apart under pressure. Think of a tortilla as more than just food. It's a rugged delivery system. You can wrap tuna, peanut butter, or beans inside and eat a complete meal with one hand while you're on the move. No plates, no utensils, just fuel. Item 11. Instant oats. Most people assume oats are a hot-only food, but that assumption limits your options. Cold soaking is a proven technique used by elite long-distance hikers. You simply add cold water to instant oats and wait 15 to 20 minutes. They soften into a filling, high-fiber meal with nothing but cold water. Oats provide complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly over several hours, preventing the dangerous sugar crashes caused by processed snacks. Store them in airtight containers, and they'll be ready to fuel your body for years to come. Item 10. Canned fruit. After a few days of eating dry, salty survival rations, your body will begin to crave moisture and acidity, a physiological response known as sensory fatigue. Canned fruit addresses this better than anything else. Beyond the vitamins, every can contains juice that serves as a secondary hydration source. In a water rationing scenario, that liquid is gold. The natural sugars provide an immediate boost to your alertness and mood, a massive psychological win when conditions are bleak. Peaches, pineapples, and oranges should be staples in every no-heat pantry. Item 9. Protein bars. A protein bar isn't just a snack, it's a cognitive bridge. When your blood sugar drops during a high-stress event, your judgment fails before your muscles do. You start making slow, poor decisions that can lead to disaster. A protein bar delivers 200 calories and enough protein to restore your brain's ability to manage competing priorities. They are durable, individually wrapped, and built to survive extreme conditions. They are the ultimate grab-and-go fuel for when you don't have the mental bandwidth to assemble a meal. Item 8. Crackers. On paper, crackers seem nutritionally simple, but psychologically they are a heavy hitter. Eating separate ingredients like a scoop of peanut butter or a pouch of tuna feels like maintenance. But when you spread that tuna on a cracker, your brain registers it as a composed meal. This return to normalcy is vital for maintaining morale during a prolonged crisis. Crackers provide much-needed structure and texture to a survival diet, making even the most basic food feel intentional and satisfying. Item 7. Nuts. In the first few hours of a crisis, you aren't going to be sitting down to eat. You'll be moving, gathering information, and securing your home. During this high-intensity phase, portability is king. A single handful of nuts delivers 200 calories of healthy fats and protein that you can eat while standing in the dark or walking in the rain. No cans to open, no packaging to assemble. Just keep an eye on your water intake. Salted nuts are calorie-dense, but will make you thirsty, so plan accordingly. We're now at the top half of the list. And item number 1 might completely change how you think about emergency food. Stay with me and hit that subscribe button. Item 6. Peanut butter. If emergency nutritionists had to pick one perfect pantry item, this would be it. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter offer 200 calories, and a single jar can provide an entire day's worth of energy for an adult. Its unique ratio of fat, protein, and carbs provides a sustained energy release that lasts for hours. Most importantly, peanut butter is easy to swallow even when stress has killed your appetite. It requires no refrigeration and pairs with almost every other item on this list, making it the ultimate caloric insurance. Item 5. Jerky. Jerky is the original survival food, developed by ancient cultures specifically for long-distance travel without refrigeration. By removing moisture, you get concentrated protein that is incredibly light and takes up very little space in a bug-out bag. A single serving gives you 10 grams of complete protein, essential for repairing muscle tissue under physical strain. Because it is cured with salt, jerky is a high water demand food. Always pair it with a moisture-rich item like canned fruit, or have your water bottle ready before you open the bag. Item 4. Canned soup. Canned soup is the only item on this list that solves 2 problems at once: hunger and hydration. The broth provides critical fluids that keep your cardiovascular and neurological systems functioning, especially important if your clean water access is limited. Most people think soup must be hot, but it is fully cooked in the can and perfectly safe to eat at room temperature. It's also gentler on your stomach than dry, chewy foods when stress is already taking a toll. Choose low-sodium varieties to keep your thirst levels manageable. Item 3. Pouched fish. Pouched tuna and salmon are a massive upgrade over cans for one simple reason: tools. In a real emergency, a can opener is a single point of failure. If you lose it or it breaks, your food is locked away. Pouches are tear and eat, requiring zero equipment. They are lighter, thinner, and contain high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids that directly support brain function and emotional stability under pressure. If you're building a mobile emergency kit, skip the heavy cans and go straight for the pouches. Your kit will be lighter and smarter. Item 2. Canned beans. Canned beans are a survival powerhouse because they deliver protein, carbs, and fiber all in one ready-to-eat package. Since they are fully cooked during the canning process, they are safe and ready to eat cold straight from the can. They provide sustained satiety that stops you from being preoccupied with hunger, freeing up your mental bandwidth to focus on more important problems. Stock up on black beans, chickpeas, and kidney beans. They are the absolute backbone of any serious no-cook survival plan. Item 1. Ready-to-eat packaged meals. In the absolute worst moments of a crisis, when you are exhausted, shivering, or completely disoriented, you cannot afford decision fatigue. You don't want to think about combining items. You just need a meal. High-quality, ready-to-eat meals are nutritionally balanced to support both your body and your mind, with zero assembly required. They are the most expensive item on this list, so use them as your emergency fallback for your hardest days. When you have nothing left in the tank, a complete meal in a pouch is the ultimate physical and psychological lifeline. A pantry full of food you can't cook is just a pantry full of hope. True preparedness is about having a system that works when the lights go out. If this list helped you rethink your survival strategy, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our deep dives into real-world readiness. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 12 items is currently missing from your shelf? Drop it in the comments below.